What is up, YouTube? Slightly different video today. What I was hoping to do today was a video on easel, how to use the CAD/CAM software easel. But I'm working with janky computer equipment, and it was a little too much for my computer to run both the easel software and the Canva software that would let me record and share my screen at the same time. So anyways, what we're going to do is I wanted to show you my storefront. So this is where I sell all of my woodworking from. And not only that, I sell on consignment for many other woodworkers that are local in the area. So I just want to take you through here and show you what we have. We have some really beautiful stuff. These guys are really talented, much more than me. Everything I have done so far is very simple, easy stuff for me. But I'm just a beginner. I'm really just getting into my woodworking journey here. But luckily I have all this amazing woodworking artwork to use as inspiration. So I'm just going to slowly take you through here. Hopefully I don't move too fast. I'm not trying to make you guys dizzy here, but there's just a ton of stuff to look at. Some really beautiful stuff. If we get a little bit closer, you can see, like on this piece, the detail and the time that was taken to carve each of these little dashed lines into the rim of this plate. So this is really nice stuff, guys. It's not cheap. It's not made quick and easy. So we are in Washburn, Wisconsin. Hopefully some of you guys that watch this will get a chance someday to come to this area and stop in the shop while you're here. So we're right on the shore of Lake Superior. It's a very small town here, but there's some really beautiful areas. And if you go up to Bayfield, Wisconsin, which is only about a 15-minute drive further north from here, they have just some really beautiful islands. You can take a tour of the islands. You can take a tour of the sea caves. So it's a beautiful area. I highly recommend just come into this area on vacation. Check it out. Beautiful trails to hike everywhere. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. I just wanted to show the shop, show you guys what we're working with. And again, I sell on consignment for many other woodworkers. And if any of you that do watch this are in Wisconsin, if you're in the Northwoods, shoot, even if you're further away, you don't even have to be in Wisconsin. I don't care. If you're watching this and you want a place to sell your woodworking art from, whether it's art, furniture, whatever it is for you, if you want to sell from here, don't be afraid to reach out. Again, we're the Wood Bin. We're in Washburn, Wisconsin. And we can hook you up. Have a nice place for you guys to sell your stuff from, somewhere where people can come in, they can touch, they can grab, they can pick it up, look closer, feel it. All right, guys, stay tuned. Hopefully next week I'll get something figured out with this video sharing program on the computer, and hopefully we can teach you how to use easel. We'll for sure show some video of the machine running next week, cutting, carving. So we've got all that planned. Stay tuned. Let me know if any of this is helpful. Like, subscribe. Thank you, guys.